Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist with about 33 years of clinical practice. I'm here with my co-instructor, Bodie, and we're going to work on rolling. Bodie does not have torticollis, but I work on rolling the same way regardless. I just might work on one side more than the other. So children who have torticollis have tightness in the muscle that comes from behind their ear to their sternum. Makes them lean their head well to one side, but not to the other side. So I'd work on rolling by taking the bottom leg. If I'm going to his right, I pull his right leg down and I cross his left leg up and across. And I come around until he comes up. And I love how I can roll him to his side and his head comes off of the mat. I'm going to try the same thing on the other side. I'm going to pull this leg down, bring this one up and across. And his head didn't come up immediately, so I just start walking up the body to see if I can get that head to come up. His head's up just a little bit, not as high as the other side. So with him, I'd work this side a little bit more. Ooh, that looks hard. One more time this way. Oh, that's hard work. His head's up on this side. And see how far I pull down on that shoulder. I get this head up just a little bit, but this side is harder. So children with torticollis, they're going to have one side that's hard and one side that's easy. Just make sure you work both sides or a little bit more of the side that's tricky. I hope this is helpful for you. And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.